Electricity is part of our everyday life. It powers almost everything we do. Modern electrical design is tightly controlled by regulations. But there's a dark side too. When regulation and maintenance fail, electricity can be our deadly enemy. Electrical fires can start in many ways. A loose connection can cause arcing, carbon residue from the arcing becomes fuel, and ignition may not be too far behind. Overloading of circuits can happen exponentially without any consideration for the electrical supply and the protection of fuse board or electrical system, like adding devices, a bigger fridge freezer, extra floodlights, or another machine. Imagine you had a distribution panel like this, or 10 times the size of this in your premises. No matter what you do, whether it's a small shop, retail business, hospital, big industrial factory, you have electricity. If you have a fire in a distribution panel, the flames are going to burn, your components are going to burn, it's going to be smoke, it's going to trigger smoke heads, alert the BMS. Even in 20 or 30 seconds, your panel's destroyed. If the flames get out of the panel, the room is next. Stixx Advanced Pro is your first responder. The stick gets placed inside your cabinet. So I'm going to attach this, there's two stickers to peel off. I'm going to attach this inside the panel. So, your Stixx Advanced Pro is now installed inside your cabinet. Now come back to the start. Say you have a fire inside your electrical panel. Your Stixx Advanced Pro is now your first responder, and when it's activated, it's going to flood your panel with our new innovation, non-toxic potassium gas. It's going to suppress the fire and put it out before it burns out of the cabinet. The smoke is going to activate your smoke head, alert your BMS system, do all of those things, but it's contained. So let's see how it works. It's doing this. So, the fire's lighting, mouse stick is installed, and after a couple of seconds, that's it. Call us today to book a free on-site demonstration of Stixx, survey and quotation. Stixx Pro Advance is your first responder for electrical fires in distribution panels and fuse boards.